Everyone, today I'll show you how to connect to a Microsoft Teams meeting in 2025. Whether you're joining from your browser, app, or email, this guide covers it all. First, open your email invitation or calendar event. You'll see a Join Microsoft Teams meeting link. Click that link and your browser will open automatically. If you don't have the Teams app yet, you can choose Continue on this browser, allow access to your camera and microphone if prompted. Enter your name if you're joining as a guest. If you're logged into Microsoft, it connects you automatically with your account. Once you're on the previous screen, check your audio and video settings. Select your microphone, speaker, and camera from the settings icons below. When everything looks good, click Join Now. You enter the meeting lobby if has not started, or go to straight in once the host lets you in. You can also join from the Teams mobile app. Just open the meeting link in your phone's email, tap Join, and you're in instantly. And that's it. That's how to connect to a Microsoft Teams meeting in 2025. Quick, simple, and works on any device.